Oh, you're still okay. One of my insecurities. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. What? Look over there, look over there.
Now that's video.
Look, you see it? What? No, it's actually here.
Video.
Gotcha. Do you have video too?
Yeah.
Oh my
boy.
goodness! The Ron!
Here we are. We're big videotape? Oh boy. I think picture is better. Video's pretty scary.
That's more
Jimwell.
scary.
Uy, wala pa tayong kukay. Jimwell.
Big,
Open yung isang puti. Yan.
I know. Where did Gina go?
Taga Lord ka, di ba? Saan ka Lord?
Alameda.
Yeah. Everybody's waiting for the game. It is?
Sabi niya, sabi ko na naghahanap ng mga classmates ng high school. Nung pagdating ko dito sa school, sinanap ko si April sa'yo. Sumagot. Kaya nagkita kami ni April. Tapos nung nag-join ako sa names database, sinabi ng pinsan ko, may bayad yun eh, $1.68. Nagbayad ako. Nagbayad ako.
Ano first search?
Oo, para maka-join ka. Hey! Abed!
Oh!
You made it!
My friend's husband.
Oh, hello! Dito! Will! Naku, salamat. Sige.
Wife niya si Gina from Sampagita section.
Oh yeah, may representative na si Gina. April.
You're Gina! Gigi!
Ito pwede ka sa tapos namin ko.
Gigi! Alam mo sa ranking ng kain ka muna! Madaming pagkain.
Kung mahihiya.
Kamaya, mamaya, magbabayad ka yan.
Gusto mo yung pangalan mo.
Mamaya,
Salbahe ka
chip.
talaga.
Ay nga mamaya, may chip yan.
Why? Oh, Diyo. Your hat says, yeah, for the
I'm Pierre. I'm Maple.
Oh, nice
Nice to meet you.
You play drums?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
There you go.
Now we have a band. Lena is our song.
Okay. Wow.
And neighbors.
Neighbors
Oh
too,
wow,
huh?
there
Cool.
you go.
See what a
It's
small
good you made it.
I know, I was a little hesitant, but I said, oh,
Very cool.
Yeah, we'll be here the whole day.
you know Seth, right? Oh,
Classmate, we're classmates.
Classmates is amazing. Oh,
Where was the set?
Yeah.
The
From
whole-
second to
oh,
sixth.
second to sixth. Paano kayo makakilala?
Neighbors. Nakaklase ni Gina. Kung nililigawan pa niya sa Gina.
Andun ka. Kahanap ng 21. Yeah. He's looking for 21-year-old. Headache. Wow.
Doon na sa may basketball. Alam mo.
64-year-old.
Oh my goodness.
Almost about to retire. Hey, don't record this! This is a private conversation.
I hope it's photo.
Okay, Myung, that's good enough. Thank you.
He's having a really good time with that. Look at him.
Oh, there you go. Kayong dalawa. Paring lang tayong dalawa. See?
mamaya parang Philippine food.
Ito, luto ni April. Ayan, oh.
Ano yan?
Oh, yung ano, carrot pasta.
Video pa yan?
Oh, yeah.
Erase. Doon na lang kami sa Pilipinas.